We thought we were ready for the Quartzsite RV show, but the crowds, the traffic, and the sheer size of it all caught us off guard. What started as a simple day to check out the show quickly turned into packed parking lots, long walks, and vendor tents that seemed to go on forever. We spent the day browsing just a few RVs, some gear, gadgets, and everything RV life, then wrapped it up at the scheduled content creator meet and greet.
Morning, everybody. It's another sunrise at the Quartzsite coming up. Quiet. Anyway, I thought I'd talk to you a little bit about our power usage. Typically, what's been going on here while we're here. So, to give you a little backstory, we have two 100 amp lithium batteries. I have 400 watts of solar on the roof of the trailer, and I have a 2,000 watt power inverter. I do have my Jackery power bank that's 3,200 watts, I believe it is. And as you can see, I have 400 watts of solar to keep it charged. But to give you an indication, our Jackery is kind of like a backup power is what we use. And I have that directly plugged in to my trailer. I have a transfer switch that's it plugs directly into. So therefore, if I want, we can run all of our 120 appliances, microwave, convection oven, or the other day we had biscuits, so Brenda used the convection oven. Then we have an air fryer that we were using. So that supplements the power there. I also have a backup. I do have a propane power generator that I can use if I have to. But like last night when we went to bed, I had roughly 97% power, and then get up in the morning. Typically it's a bit chilly, so we've been running our furnace, turn that on, and then we have to have a couple of cups of coffee, obviously, and we have the old Keurig, single serve coffee maker. We also have our Starlink going and whatnot. And this morning we had a couple cups of coffee, and we both took showers, so your water pump is obviously running. But as of right now, I still have, let me see if I can show you guys. As you can see, we still have 76% on our batteries, on our house batteries. And Brenda, she wants to blow dry her hair, so in that case, we'll have to turn the Jackery on, which I have plenty of power to do that. So that's what I wanted to kind of talk to you about, kind of like our power needs and how it's going. And really, it's like we're almost plugged into shore power. There's really no change. We have the TV going. Everything is kind of like normal in a way. We just have to deal with conservation of water and of course our tanks. So we'll let you know how that goes in the near future.
Battery is still full. Black is showing 2/3, which is a lie. Fresh is still full. Gray is empty. Gray is 1/3. That must be the kitchen. Yeah. I barely put anything. Oh no, so there it went to nothing. So there we go. Well, good morning, everyone. So the one thing I notice is when people are talking about the dust here, The dust is actually no joke. It has not rained since we've been here, so a lot of dust.
Yeah. And I'm really particular about my equipment, keeping everything clean. Obviously, my truck has never been this bad ever.
Not much dust.
Well, actually, any of my vehicles.
So you can, so that's one thing that people talk about that's absolutely true. People are also talking about generators. I actually have not even heard a generator, except ours. We turned it on for just a little bit yesterday to kind of recharge some of the batteries. But
well, we were using the air fryer and all that too.
Yeah, so. Yeah. We had a bigger power pole. So generator noise, it's quiet. I haven't.
Hand me that.
There's no
duster
issue.
Thing. It's in your side.
Yeah.
No, you can. Hand it to me. Here.
Okay.
See, I got dust in here, so the plan is I always carry this around, get some of this dust off, and keep it in check.
I was wondering, what do you want the duster for?
That's why. If I can't keep the outside dust free, maybe I can keep the inside somewhat tolerable.
So back to my discussion.
Yeah, get back to what she was talking about.
It's been quiet. There's not been a lot of noise. Dust, yes, definitely dust. And I could see how maybe occasionally raining might help, but it hasn't rained since we've been here. So
it's going to be a challenge to clean the trailer.
You can kind of see that fine dust all over the truck.
And I'm sure the trailer. Right?
And, yeah, I can imagine. But like I said, generator noise, no. And then the crowds, yes, definite crowds. It's getting worse the closer, when you're around the Big Tent time, definitely more people than before. So anyway, so right now we're heading to the Big Tent area. We're going to check out some of the vendors there. And then tonight we have a meet and greet. I think it's at 4:30. So
might look at some RVs.
Yeah, I might check some RVs out. We talked about possibly getting a new RV next year, 2027. We talked about.
You did?
Yeah, we talked about it. He's playing the game right now, but we talked about it.
What are we talking about here?
Well, we talked about different things. We talked about possibly a Super C. But the only thing with the Super Cs, I'm not sure if I would miss being in a fifth wheel for so long. I might miss the amount of storage cabinet space that you have in a fifth wheel. I don't know. I have to check out the new Super Cs. Maybe they have more cabinet space. It would be nice if maybe we could get a couch for the grandkids when they do want to come, that we could pull out instead of having to use the floor. And so, but I don't know. I've looked at some of the Brinkleys, and there's one that I like a lot, so I might check that one out.
I'm on a fixed income here, a
retirement income. So, but anyway, so we've checked out a few different floor plans on the YouTube videos. And
the YouTube?
The YouTube videos. So we'll see. We'll take a peek at them.
Alright, so we're here. It's freaking packed. We're like parked all the way down the end of the free parking. I don't want to be too loud about it, but you're not going to believe this, you guys. I actually forgot my wallet in the trailer house. So if I wanted to buy something, I have to rely on her generous offerings. So anyway, that's the dealio there. Usually don't do that. So hopefully it'll stay secure. What is this now?
3710.
And it's a what model?
340 RL.
Okay.
And it is 14, dry weight is 14,072, GVWR 16.5. It's kind of different because, you know, we're so used to the stairs being in front. It's kind of nice.
Yeah, see the bedroom stairs.
Wow, I do like
are on this side.
We do put the, so this is one of these. How do you do it?
Pull out pantry.
Yeah. Nice.
That's the only pantry there is though, right? Is that?
Really?
I mean, that's all I see.
Wow. Okay.
So you'd have to.
So oh no, what's this? Here it is. It's complete additional.
Okay.
Or maybe, I don't know. Wide steps. Wow. Now this is a really nice shower. It's really big. And they do have the drawers in here, which are nice. This is.
Yeah.
That's huge.
I think showering's overrated.
Sure. Shoe storage underneath.
And you got your seats to sit and put your shoes and socks on. See? What are you doing?
Oh, that's pretty big. It's completely there.
What's there?
I don't see a washer and dryer. Hook up.
That's mandatory these days, you guys.
Oh no, it's right here. If you would have to put like ours,
Yeah.
combo. Oh wait, no.
You're clueless.
No, you take those. No. You take both of them out. That one for one.
Okay.
If you don't want to use the combo.
All right.
This is pretty nice. Actually.
Is it nice?
Yeah, I kind of like this one.
What's the length of it?
It's a little long. 37.
Ooh.
310 RL. And that is 3,400.
This is a 3411 in length. What's their asking? Did you say the price?
This one's 125.
125.
I mean, it's kind of like that Brinkley we wanted. It's around that price.
Pantry, standard.
Yeah, but you have both in this one.
Oh yeah.
Which is nice.
Well,
you do have
that's nice if you like to eat a lot, have a lot of food.
You do have full size ovens.
So.
I would love having a full size.
Yeah, you do a lot of turkey cooking.
No, it's not that.
What is it?
Big lasagna or whatever.
Okay.
This isn't. The thing isn't working.
It's not working. It might be user error.
No, there it is.
Yeah, see.
No, it's just. It's actually heavier than you think it is.
Okay.
You don't have great shoulders.
We'll come up here to the bathroom. It's your standard shower.
And you have the ability to do a table or a desk, which is nice. And I do like, once again, these ones, they do put the drawers. Because I didn't like it with our Raptor. We didn't have drawers. Okay, so the only thing they always do, instead of like other people, they always do the separate.
Uh-huh.
These, they always put them inside the closet.
What's that, the washer dryer?
Yeah, and you can do, once again, the ability to do.
I don't see the hookups.
No, it's right here.
No?
It's right here. See. Here, let me. Yeah, okay. See, they're in there. And then the dryer on the other side. Obviously, that's the washer side. They must have storage in these.
Yeah, so the reality is once you get a washer dryer set up in your RV, you really don't want to go back without having one.
I don't know.
I mean, we've had them in our last couple of RVs. We haven't probably paid for them, or they haven't pay for themselves, but it is convenient. This be the big tent right here. That's what we fit to go into. This place is jumping, folks. Let's go right. There's Mo Ride right there. Ice cream? No? Sewer toads? A lot of food here. If you're hungry. How do I look? There's Harvest Host right there. Yeah, I know.
Getting in was one thing. Getting out was a whole other adventure.
Pretty crowded. Parking was a challenge for sure.
One gentleman asked us if there was any parking as we were leaving. I said, well, there was our space for a few seconds.
Yeah.
I'm sure that got it.
So we got there like at 9:30. We stayed till about 12:30.
It was about 12:30.
A few hours.
Yeah.
And it was, man.
It was elbow to elbow.
Yeah.
People. So very, very crowded. And being the first day, maybe
you can expect that.
Expect it.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back this afternoon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still, theoretically, we haven't started yet. Huh? For another 12.
What's the line? What do we sign up for? A lot of people here, as you can see.
No, he's doing it. They're all doing it. I started it. You can see all the YouTube pages.
Oh, you're. What's that?
What'd you say?
I was talking to him.
Halfway through the trip, we kind of looked at one another and we said, "Oh, we're coming back. Yeah, we're definitely coming back." And and then we did. We went up there and we took the Class C. And so, because we wanted to go to some places that we weren't quite sure about the big truck, And now this next time, we're going to take the big truck like up to the Pluto Bay.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, yeah. What did you do?
He's a rescue, so we don't know. No, he's kind of dorky.
It was a busy, overwhelming day, but ending it with the community made it all worth it. We were planning to slow down and explore more after this, but the trip had other plans.